Now I'm going to be looking for the center of mass, or the centroid, of an area bounded by two curves. So you know y equal x squared, right? I'm not going to draw the other side just to keep the picture cleaner. And this is y equal x, and you know they intersect at 1, 1, right? So I want to find the centroid, so something in there. So let's look at what we need to do. So first off, the mass is going to be the subtraction of the two functions. So let's just go find that. So m will be the integral top function minus bottom function. And you know that they intersect at 0 and 1. So x squared over 2, x cubed over 3, 0 and 1, 1/2 minus 1/3, so 3/1/6. Okay, so that's my little m that I'm going to be dividing by. So now let's look at the formula for this x bar. So x bar, I still am multiplying by x. I'm multiplying the mass times x, and the mass is the f of x minus the g of x. So let's go find that m sub y. So this is going to be x times x minus x squared from 0 to 1. And you know, just make sure you multiply it out first. So I get x cubed over 3 minus x to the 4th over 4. So I get 1/3 minus 1/4. So I get 1/12. All right, so that means my x bar will be 1/12 divided by 1/6. So that gives me a 1/2 because I multiply by the reciprocal. So that's x bar. Oh, that makes sense, right? So that means I'd go halfway out here, and that would be there. So now let's go find out what the y bar will be by doing m sub x. Okay, so this is where it's a little bit tricky. I have to take 1/2 times each of the functions squared individually. So I'm going to say 1/2. Then I'm going to square my x, and then I'm going to square my x squared. So let me bring it down here. So I get x squared minus x to the 4th, then integrate it. 1/2, so x cubed over 3, x to the 5th over 5. And then I'm evaluating between 0 and 1. So I get the number 1/2. 1/3 minus 1/5, so 1/2, so I get 2 over 15, and then cancel the 2, so I get a positive 1 over 15. So the y bar, my y bar, will be 1/15 times, and I'm just going to multiply by the reciprocal here, so I can cancel the 3, so I get 2/5. So that's the y bar.